IPMI student from batch 2022. Now we are joining LSIS, Lomba Simulasi Investasi Saham, and then we are from Profit Plus.
I'm Ningsi Selan.
I'm Tasha. Session 1 is what stock do you pick, describe profile of each company, core business, controlling owner, and then top management team. First, PT Bukit Asam Tbk is an Indonesian-based company in the coral mining industry. Activities including coral mining operation, including research, exploration, processing, refining, transportation, and trading. PT Bukit Asam continues to innovate the coral-based energy business, renewable energy, and a coal downstream project. The company management system and GCG work unit has functions including managing and controlling existing system in the company. So, including and reviewing and evaluating company certification. For the Vice President of the Corporate Management System and GCG is Self Science 2020. His name is Tri Ubaya Sakti, joined PTBA since 27 years ago, personally in 1993. Second is PT Adi Sarana Armada Tbk, was established under the name Adiraren in 2003. PT Adi Sarana Armada Tbk is an Indonesian-based company in the providing corporate vehicle rental service, logistics transportation, driver service, automotive auction houses, car sharing, online vehicle buying and selling, and parcel delivery service. Apart from the rental and logistics business, this company also innovating by strengthening business digitalization in line with change in people behavior by launching the shared car application and the marketplace for buying and selling vehicles. So Caroline also opened the technology-based logistics business by launching Antaraja. So organizational structure PT Adi Sarana Armada Tbk start from Board of Commissioners, Audit Committee, Board of Director, President Director, Corporate Secretary, Department Head, Corporate Planning and Strategy, Corporate Director, Finance Director. So for the third, we have Bank Syariah Indonesia was inaugurated on February 1, 2021 as a result of the merge of Bank Syariah Mandiri and Bank Syariah into Bank Rakyat Indonesia Syariah. Islamic Bank play an important role as a facilitator in all economic activities in the halal industry ecosystem. In the next few years, PT Bank Syariah Indonesia aspires to become one of the top 10 banks leaders Syariah in the world by market capitalization, owner government of Indonesia, ultimate controlling stockholders. Bank Mandiri have a 50.83% and Bank Negara Indonesia have 24.85% and Bank Rakyat Indonesia have 70.25%. Henry Gunardi as a President Director and Mulia S. Regar as a President Commissioner. For the fourth, we have Gudang Garam Cigarette Company is one of the leading companies within the cigarette industry in Indonesia that has been established since 1958 in the town of Kediri, East Java. Until now, Gudang Garam has really now both of domestically and abroad as a producer of high-quality critical cigarettes. Gudang Garam products can be found in many varieties, ranging from SKL cigarette critic clobot or corn hooksworth clove cigarettes and SKT cigarette critic linting tangan or hand rolled cold cigarettes up to CSKM cigarette critic linting machine or machine rolled clove cigarettes. What Gudangaram has accomplished today is certainly related with the important role of the founder, Surya Wanwajojo. Management and government consist of board of commissioners and board of directors. So for the last, we have Astra International is an Indonesia-large diversified conglomerate with 7 core business lines. First is automotive, second is financial service, third is heavy equipment, fourth is agribusiness, five infrastructure and logistics, um, six is information technology, and the seven is property, with the majority owned by the Jordan Matheson Group. Astra is the leading provider of a full range of automobile and motorcycle products in Indonesia. Fundamental analysis is to calculate whether or not a company finance are stable by taking into account several aspects such as EPS, earning per share, calculate the profit and loss of shares, PAR, price earning ratio, the ratio of stock price to company profit, PBV, price to book value ratio. The ratio of stock price to the company accounting value is used to calculate whether or not shares are expensive. ROA, return on equity, is an indicator of company performance by comparing net income and total capital. ROA, return on asset, function to measure the overall effectiveness of asset in generating profit and through available asset, as well as the power to generate profit from invest capital. The IR, debt to equity ratio, the ratio of the company debt is capital. If the ratio is high, and it indicates that the company debt is high.
Technical analysis is an analysis technique that analyzes price situation within certain time frame and always requires charts to analyze it. The point of technical analysis is detect trends or patterns that are occurring and provide buy or sell signal. After we discuss it, we use a fee of 1 billion from all the companies we choose, including for PT Bukit Asam Tbk, we use a fee of 60,000 because according to our group, PTBA prospects are still potential positive because they are still driving vehicle price and the prospect for PTBA financial performance until the end of the year still have the potential to record positive performance. This is driven by high coal price. And for Bank Syariah Indonesia, we use a fee of 115,000 as we think the advance of buying Bank Syariah Indonesia share that you need to know is that the shares of this Bank Syariah Indonesia do not apply a usury system, so that the profit that will be obtained from trading share is 100%, and the advance of buying Bank Syariah Indonesia share next is that the risk is small, but of course the profit is also small. For Adi Sarana Armada Tbk, we use a fee of 225,000 because in our opinion, we see that Adi Sarana Armada can grow its top line 6.7 trillion, which will be driven by enterprises growth, although there will be some challenge that must be faced such as a potential increase in interest rates. For PT Gudang Garam, we use a fee of 24,000. Gudang Garam performance so far has been relatively solid. Analysts also assess the along with an increase in the average selling price or ESP potential to continue to improve financial performance is very open. For PT Gudang Garam, we use a fee of 24,000. Gudang Garam performance so far has been relatively solid. Analysts also assess that along with an increase in the average selling price or ESP, potential to continue to improve financial performance is very open. PT Gudang Garam positive performance is more due to an increase in sales volume, especially SKM production. SKM revenue contribute has reached 23.9 trillion rupiah or 91.3% of Gudang Garam total revenue. This figure is the highest in the last 3 years. For Astra International Tbk, we use 6,100 because Astra International Tbk is moving attractively and commodity prices that are still high will continue to support Astra International performance in 2022.
That's all from us. Thank you.